may survive the trip, say 4, 5, 6, even 7 o'clock in the morning. Wouldn't last very long, as most of this will be pulling offshore. I know you can't hear that at home, but I just think a jumbo jet just landed on the roof of the station. I have no idea what that is. Okay. Taking a look at a cold front now approaching the area, and this is essentially weakening. It's not really a cold front in the sense that it's bringing colder air, but just some scattered showers during the overnight hours. So we're seasonably cool across New England right now. That springtime warmth, it is just knocking on our doorstep across the Midwest right now. A little bit of that coming in for tomorrow afternoon. Really noticeable come Thursday, have a chance of actually tying the record high, getting close to 60. Speaking of the numbers, take a look at Futurecast, and we'll show you some clouds overnight. Temperatures holding in the mid-30s. Tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., cloudy start, maybe an isolated, like little 5-10 minute light shower or sprinkle. And then note the clearing trend, or at least partial clearing, becoming partly sunny during the afternoon. Temperatures mid-50s, but in some cases almost 10 degrees cooler right along the immediate shoreline with the wind coming in off the water. Tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock, we're at 50, still very comfortable. And then later tomorrow night at 9 o'clock, still cool, not cold, with a temperature at 44. You know, this time of year, you have to be careful when you're predicting very mild temperatures because we're surrounded by ocean that's very cold. So tomorrow, the wind coming in off the water, and that keeps places like Newport nice, but a lot cooler than, say, Providence by almost 10 degrees. Futurecast for tomorrow morning. Perhaps a sprinkle at sunrise, a cloudy start, but then developing sunshine mid to late morning, and then during the afternoon. Way above average for this time of year, a mix of clouds and sunshine as your high temps top out in the mid-50s and about 45 along the immediate shoreline. Getting close to a record high Thursday afternoon after some early morning fog, close to 60. Actually, Friday's a tough call as far as the high temperature. We're going 60, but if the wind stays northeast, we'll end up cooler, so stay tuned on that one. Very mild but wet on Saturday. Sunday's clearly the dry and cooler day. Sunshine Sunday with temps in the mid-40s. We're doing okay now.
So is your ride just waiting for you until the show's all done?
That's it. Just hop on board and...
I love that you just stopped talking.
Was it me or did you hear that?
No, we could hear it.
We heard it.
Okay, we're not sure what it is.
All right. Thank you, Tony.